Welcome back to my channel Into the Oracleverse, where we learn about Oracle SQL, PL and Apex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to set up Oracle 26 AI database, the free instance, locally within our system using Docker. And we'll connect to it with the SQLcl, which is a powerful command line interface tool which is developed by Oracle. So before jumping into it, let's talk about why Oracle 26 AI. This Oracle AI database 26 AI has too many features which will help the developers to maximize the AI capabilities within their database system. So it has several new features which we will be covering in the upcoming videos. So now let's quickly jump into the setup part where in this particular video we'll learn how to pull the Docker image of this 26 AI DB and how to run it in the container and then how to connect to it through the SQL command line. So let's get started right away. So as a first step, as a prerequisite, we need to have this Docker desktop installed in our system. So that would be our first step. So once it is there, so first let's pull the latest free version. So that's the 26A version from the repository. So I'll open command prompt and then let me just run the command. Since I already have it, so it's just showing that the image is up to date. Else, you might see the progress bar with all the relevant files getting downloaded. So you'll be able to see the image being created here. So since I already have it, so that particular step has been skipped. And hence, considering the fact that we have successfully pulled the Oracle 26 AI free Docker image, so let's run it. So this is the particular code to run it. So in this command, you would be able to see that I have named that as Oracle 26 AI free, and you would be able to see the port I have provided 1521 port and then 5500 port, and then the password I have provided it as your password 123, but you might have to replace it to a good strong password. And then yeah, so now let's just run it. So you'd be able to, so if we go here, we'd be able to see the container which has been created. And then yeah, so we are able to see that it's up and running. So now let's see the logs. This would be useful in case of failed connections as well. So you'd be able to see. So from here you'd be able to see that the database is ready to use. And yes, so let's get started with the Oracle CL first. So I have a particular site, the official site. I'll paste this link in the video's description. So from here, we'd be able to download the latest SQLcl exe file. So I have the zip file in my download section, so you'll be able to see that here. So from here, I was able to move it, or I was able to extract all the files within this to my C drive, and within which I have a folder called Oracle, and I have it here. So it is recommended, or I'll suggest you to have the folder name without any space to avoid any unwanted issues. So yeah, so within this bin, we'd be able to see the SQL's application, the .exe file here. So now let's add this path as an environmental variable so that we'll be able to call it very easily. So for to do that, you will have to copy the bin's location because it holds the SQL.exe file in it. So, and then you'll have to navigate to the system variables. So within advanced, we'll click on system variables and you'll be able to see the system variables section within which you'll have to click on path and then you'll have to click on edit. So you could see I have already added it up here. And then after that you'll have to click OK, OK, and OK. And then you might have to restart your command line. If you might have to open a new terminal again if you are adding it for the first time. And since I have already added it, so I'll just leave it as such. Now, um, so we have the SQLcl in place to confirm it. So to validate it, let's just copy this code and then I can successfully exit from this log actually. Let me see. So now we are able to see the expected output, which indicates that the environment variable has been added successfully. So now let's move on to the next step. Now let's connect to the Oracle 26 AI free version that we have set it up using Docker. So let's copy this particular code and then let's go to the command prompt. So this indicates we have established a successful connection with the database, the free database instance. So now let's just run this particular select statement to verify the database connection. So yes. So now we are able to successfully confirm that we have installed the Oracle database 26 AI free version locally with the help of the Docker. To summarize, so with Docker, we are able to pull the relevant latest Oracle 26 AI database image, and then we are able to containerize it. And now we have the container up and running and then we also have installed the powerful command line tool of Oracle, so the SQLcl, and then we have established a connection with that particular database with SQLcl, and then now we have validated the connection here with this part. So once we have everything in place, let's just exit it gracefully by just so with this we'll be able to disconnect in a good way. And then we can also stop container whenever we don't need it or before we are going to just shut the things down. Yes. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So next time we just need to start uh, the particular container again. So we just need to run this particular container again. And to do that, so I have just attached this particular command here. So with this command, we'll be able to start the container again, and we'll be able to with this command we'll be able to establish the connection with that particular database from the SQLcl. So that's pretty much it. I'll walk you through all the advanced features that are available in Oracle 26 AI database in a separate set of videos in upcoming days. Thank you so much. Drop in your thoughts in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to Into the Oracle World.